pang negosyo, pwede din na stored food mo lang para pag magutom ka during rush hours or at midnight, meron kang stored food. So this is my take on Spanish bangus. Pero, question, do you have any idea kung saan galing ang name ng dish na to? If you have, pakishare naman dun sa comment section. Anyways, I had been making this dish for quite a long time kasi masarap talaga siya and sarap to the bones pa. Kasi lang, it will take a while for you to process this, pero sulit din naman yung pagod mo. So guys, let's make it because I'm sure pag na-try mo to, babalik-balikan mo to. So guys, ang pinaka-tricky lang dito is just the preparation part. The fish, you have to wash it thoroughly and soak it in water and half a cup of salt overnight or at least an hour. And ito yung ginawa ko, pinapakita ko lang. I prepared my carrot and all the other ingredients na ilalagay natin with the fish. Ito yung carrot. And nagporma lang ako ng parang flour. Tsaga-tsaga lang guys. Kasi mas maganda siyang tingnan lalo na pag ibebenta mo siya. And if you're going to bottle this, hindi ko na lang pinakita yung pagbabottle nito kasi hindi ko siya pinipare ngayon for bottling. And medyo nagmadali ako. I was just really making this because I missed eating. Yun lang. And yeah, gawa ka lang ng florets na carrot florets. Just like what you would see in the video. Madali lang naman yan. And nakamura ako sa carrot ngayon. I just bought it for like 50 pesos yata per kilo. So, malalaking carrot na yun. And it would look nice sa mga bottle pag pinatol mo ito yung Spanish bangus. So, I got another half of a carrot and ginawa ko rin siyang florets and prepared all the other ingredients which I will list at the end of this video. So yan, sundan nyo lang yan guys. Very easy lang naman. Ito yung paglagay mo sa food processor. You have to layer it with the ingredients. Yan. Lagay mo yung carrot, yung whole garlic, plus yung laurel. I put a lot of chili kasi kinakain ko yung chili. At ang sarap niyan because it will be soaked with all the flavors of our fish. That's pickle. That's pickle. I layered it before I put that's pickle. Yeah, you can put I put capers in this and I also place olives. Pero mas maganda tingnan sa bottle yung green olives but I don't have available. So black olives na lang. Tapos nilayer ko na yun yung fish one after the other. Then ito yung pickled ko na pinikol ko ng mga 2 years na or 3 years yata na mga sili. So, I just added it para magamit ko na siya at maggawa na lang ako ulit. So, yan. It's just the layering. Layer mo lang yan. Konti lang itong ginawa ko ngayon. Kasi, wala lang. Na-miss ko lang siya. And, ayoko kasi mag-store ng food for a very long time. Except for those fermented na mga vegetables ko. Then, yan. And, para mas healthy guys, you can use olive oil to soak this. And yung olive oil kasi, yung oil nito kasi, pwede mo rin papakin na itap mo sa rice with the Spanish bangus. Yan. So, I'm about to be done and put oil. So, yan lang yan guys, mga pickles. Huwag yung gamitin yung crushed pickles ha, kasi magiging maasim yung bangus nyo. Na-try ko na yan dati at hindi maganda yung kinalalabasan niya. So, tip lang, wag nyong gamitin yung pickle relish, yung pickle na crush na or slice na into naka-mince na. So, yan, I just added salt on the last part and I added seasoning. I'm using magic syrup for this because yan yung favorite ko na MSG. And also, last part niyan is the oil. So, your choice of oil naman, pwede vegetable oil if namamahalan ka sa olive oil, yan. Lagyan mo lang siya ng 3 cups of oil, which I will also list and half a cup of water para hindi masunog yung ating lulutuing Spanish bangus. And salang mo lang siya in a very low fire, guys. Yan. For at least 45 minutes to an hour pag may pressure cooker. Siya, pag hindi pressure cooker ha, it will take you 4 to 8 hours. So yan, ready to serve na yan. At syempre, kasi na-miss ko to. It's been like few months na yata. Last year lang yata lang last kong gawa nito. Na-miss ko siya, kaya tikimin time. Yan. It's so yummy, guys. Napa-rice ako. Kahit ayoko na sana mag-rice. Diet ko, no. Pero, hindi pwedeng malakas sa rice to, guys, ha. Masyadong malakas to sa rice. Kahit na anong pigil ko niyan, tinago ko si rice. Pero kumuha pa din. Oh, char. Nahiya pa. Nahiya pa ako niyan. Pero promise, ang sarap nito, guys. You have to try this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye now.